Yep. Yeah, this is the new edition. I made a couple videos already of doing some repairs. It's a '05 Land Rover LR3. Yep, it's the HSE. It's got all the bells and whistles. Not a bad little truck. No rust on the body. Yeah, it's got that V8 at 4.4 Jaguar engine. Yeah, nice little looking truck. Got some faults, but nothing major. I got it pretty cheap. The owner that had it didn't I guess doesn't know much about these these Land Rovers or like any Rover like the Range Rover and the LR3s and the LR2s. Everything has issues, you know. But yeah, fixed a couple bugs here and there. Got some cosmetic damage to the paint. I have no clue what happened. It's down to the bare metal. It's got that Java black. It's black, but the sun or light hits it. It's you can see that brown in there. It's a pretty nice color. Yeah, like I said, it's the HSE. Bought it really cheap. Did some repairs to it already. It's got that black interior. Fixed the amp. Replaced the amp underneath because the radio was silent and the navigation wasn't working. So I repaired that. Put in a couple fuses. Yeah, bought it for the family. It's my little baby mover. Yeah, got some of these things that go in the back of the seats. Yeah, I like it. Everybody fits nice and cozy. Got a bunch of gadgets and all kinds of stuff on it. Oh, crazy auxiliary in the back. So it's got the heat warmers for the seats, for the back, for the front, steering wheel. It's got some issues still with all that stuff right there because I think they might have dropped some liquid or something on it. Might have to make a video about that, repairing it and whatnot. Moonroof doesn't open, so I gotta inspect that and fix it. Other than that, it's a pretty good little truck. Yeah, like I said, pretty cool truck. I like it. Yeah, it's got all the regular stuff, you know, child lock, all them goodies. A little bit dirty, you know. Kids, they do what they're gonna do. It's got that emergency key lock. I think they all have that though. But yeah, I tried it out. It works. Memory seat. But yeah, my wife been wanting one of these. Well, she wanted a Range Rover, but you know, you got 3 kids now, so they're not gonna fit in the Range Rover. So I had to step down or step up to the third row seater. Yeah, that's that 4.4. Like I said, all I've done is replace some fuses. I'm gonna do an oil change pretty soon. Java Black. It's LRC 697. That's what it has. Doesn't say much else. Then another thing you gotta replace is the windshield washer fluid. It always comes up. The little light comes up that it's got low fluid. It's got a pinhole or something's wrong with it. It's got a hole in it because every time I fill it up, it's puddle in the bottom. Like I said, yeah, it's a little cool truck. Battery fuses are right here. Battery's still good. Yeah, probably what I'm gonna do next is well, I gotta replace the windshield washer fluid, new brakes and rotors, because these are pretty bad. It's got these trucks have sensors. When the pads are low, you get a yellow brake light, and once they're really bad, it turns red. But I'm at the yellow, so I don't want it to get to the red. I replaced these two as well. These were bad. The ex-owner was propping it up with a PCV pipe. Ridiculous. Yeah, those hood struts, they would set me back like 40 bucks, like 20, like close to 50. But yeah, that's the truck, man. It's a pretty cool little truck. Like I said, it works. It works real good. New tires. I found the problem because the compressor wasn't working. The air compressor on this thing when I bought it. That's one thing I gave the guy a low ball on it. Give him a low ball amount. You know, like I said, you don't want to take it, but a couple weeks later, bit the hook, and I got it real cheap. Like I said, it's a cool truck. I like it. Couple issues here and there, but it works perfect. Like I said, fixed the air compressor. There was a mouse nest in there. They chewed through the wires, which were arcing, and now it turns on. So it's got an air leak somewhere because it drops a little bit. But once you turn the key on, it goes back up to normal height. And it takes that premium. Yep, that's it. It's a cool little truck, man. Thanks for watching.